Section 10. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is N. N for night. I want you to find the letter N on page 10 in your book. Page 10 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound N. Say the sound and words after me. N. N. N for net. N for needle. Let's read it again. N for net. N for needle. We are now going to practice writing the sound N. I want you to put your pointing finger on the first N. I'm going to show you how to write the N. It's very easy. It's just like the M, but only one hop. So we work again with the cat's tummy line. We start on the middle line, down, back up, and one hop for the N. Please do trace it with your finger. I'm going to show you again. We start on the middle line, down to the bottom line, back up, and one hop. Make sure your lines on either side are nice and straight. Please trace it with a crayon. We're now going to trace the second N. Put your finger on the second N. I'm going to trace it. We start at the middle line, down, and one hop. Please trace it with your finger. Now trace it with a crayon. Now that we have traced the first and second N, let's go to the last N. Put your finger on the last N. I'm going to show you how to write the N. Start at the middle line, straight down, round, and back down again. Please trace it with your finger. And now take a crayon and trace the N. Let's read again. N for net. N for needle. Now that you have practiced writing the sound N, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the N, you can color in the picture that shows us night. If we look outside the window, it is nighttime. N for night. The opposite of day is night. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 11.